is our set.
So we're here at IKEA to shop and look for furniture because my family is moving. So yeah. I think I used the dining table as my table. I mean, could, but there are like a lot too like out.
So I run around this. I wanna be.
I want to be like that. You know the speakers that there's one up there. Can you see them? Those ones? I want to put like the licorice and stuff. So then I can just pop it off and eat it. Oh, that's so cute. This set right here, the coffee stuff. But I don't even know how to make coffee at home yet.
If you drink coffee, then you
If I drink like full coffee. Oh, this is so smart though. Like you can hang. I mean, it's not bad. Oh, that's actually a lot of space.
I'm always judging and degrading. I should stop.
So we just finished at IKEA. We didn't buy anything yet because we're gonna buy it on the day of when we're moving in. But we saw some good stuff. Hopefully it's still available. But now we're gonna go get some food.
Being at my best. Sleep more, being nice a lot like this. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah.
So in the past like 3 months, my dad has been in Taiwan and he finally came back, I think last week, but he's now in like quarantine. But I was able to get some of the stuff that he actually got me for my birthday. And that present I got is a camera, yay! At first I actually wanted to get like a bigger camera, like a vlogging camera, but it is pretty expensive. And for the first camera, I thought maybe I should get an action camera because those are usually cheaper and it can be used for like action shots as well as vlogging. So I decided to get the Osmo Action from DJI, their action camera. By the way, this is not sponsored. This is just a gift from my dad. Yeah, I thought it would be fun to film a little unboxing and have you guys watch me struggle and put everything together and figure out everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this part. My dad probably has already opened everything and like moved everything together, so the camera's not in here anymore. It's probably in this one or this one. But in this one there is the case. And I think these are like other attachments. Yeah. Like this type of attachment. I don't even know what it's for. Okay. I think the camera's in this one. So let's open this one. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So there's some of the stuff and the camera's right there. Okay, so this is the camera. Yay, I have a camera now. I think there's a case on this one. Let me try to get the case off. So let me move this. Oh, finally. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Okay, I think that I did it. So this is the camera without anything on it. It's just a little action camera. It's kind of similar to the GoPro, I think Hero 9, that has like the little screen in front. This is like the back screen, and then you can also, when you're filming yourself, you can also see yourself from the front, which is perfect for vlogging. Let's try opening this up. Ooh. Do you see? Is the camera quality good? Let me try to switch. I'm pretty sure you can just... Oh my god, it switched itself when I said switch. That's so cool. Okay, so I'll leave the camera to the side, and now I'm gonna figure out what to do with this. So I told my dad to buy like a microphone thing so I can like sync it up to the camera and have better audio. So I think this is part of the microphone stuff. Maybe. Okay, that's in. And then this is the microphone, so I think you just do that. Damn, I actually figured that out. But how to attach this onto the camera? So I think there's this thing that's like a what is the word? I can't remember the word. And that. And there you go. My possible new setup for my filming. This is so cool. Like, what? It looks so crazy. I mean, people are gonna stare at me if I hold this big fluff around. This is so cool. Let's look at the other stuff. I don't know what this is. This is battery charging box. Oh, I think I can like place the batteries in here and then charge this box and it'll charge all three. That's useful. I think this is the battery compartment that comes with the, oh, and an extra battery that comes with the package. Nice. There's the original case. I'm not gonna take that one off, so I think you open it like this. And then, there you go. So yeah, this is my new camera that I'll start filming with. I think what I'll do is like film on and off with this and my phone because I have to get used to how to use an actual camera. So probably see a little bit of difference between my videos. Some of them will be this one and some of them will be from my phone. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and so excited to use the camera for the first time. So this is the first time using this camera, so it feels really weird. But right now I am going to go work out. We're gonna do some abs and some core, stuff like that. And then afterwards I'm gonna run. My sister's gonna come along. And yeah, let's go. We'll start with a 1 minute plank. Can you see, guys? 1 minute. Okay. Ready?
You never show me, you tell me the way that you're feeling. Oh.
How's that for you? Pretty good? Not bad? So what you do? Lay down. That. Have your head in a pose like this. And stand up with it still there. Do that. It's gonna be the bicycle one. Okay, so what you do 2 seconds, 2 seconds, then 4 fast ones. Okay, and do that for 10 reps.
act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time with you. That's just how.
Out, out, across, across, like that.
That I'll never know.
So we're gonna continue our workout and I'll update you guys later.
That I'll never know.
So I just did some like skating jumps because there's no skating today, so I still want to like maintain my jumps, and also just did some like other workout stuff. But now I'm gonna do my 15 minutes run. I haven't done this in a long time, so this is gonna be interesting, but hopefully I'll survive and it'll be great. So
Maybe there's parts of you.
So I just finished my run. I only did 10 minutes, not 15, because not because of my cardio, because my foot started to burn. I think it's because it's like hot and stuff, so I just stopped like 5 minutes early, but it's still fine. But there's still some time, so I want to do some stretching, and yeah, let's do that. I'm looking at the sky. I think these swimmers came over and then they're just doing laps.
Matthew, Carlos, Nathan, Ethan, Samuel, run!
Oh, that was good. Now they're rolling on the grass. They're done.
That I'll never know. I get impatient. This constant waiting. Just wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this.
Here it is, the beautiful clouds. So I'm done stretching and my sister's throwing heart fingers, but sadly we didn't see the sunset yet. It's till later, like there's like half an hour more. So maybe when we head home and the sunset's nice, I'll go outside for a little bit to just show you guys the sunset. But yes, I'm done with my workout.
Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know.